Installing your new Baldwin Prestige Spyglass handle set is easy and simple. Before you begin, be sure to gather all required tools and materials and familiarize yourself with the lock parts. Caution: do not use an electric drill or electric screwdriver to tighten the screws. Prepare your door and check its dimensions. If drilling a new door, use the supplied template and the complete door drilling instructions available online. If your door already has bore holes, confirm the bottom hole location. Fold the supplied template along the fold line and line it up with the holes in your door. Make sure the bottom hole is in the proper location. If your door doesn't have a bottom hole, refer to step 3 in the instructions. Extend the latch by inserting a screwdriver into the D-shaped hole and rotating the screwdriver. Next, you may need to adjust the backset of the top latch to fit your door. To check, hold the latch in the front of the door hole with the latch case flush against the door edge. The D-shaped hole in the middle of the latch should be in the center of the door hole. If it is not, the latch will need to be adjusted. To adjust your latch, rotate the front of the latch to extend it. Install the top latch. Before you begin, gather the top latch and latch screws. Install the latch with 2 of the screws marked in the instructions. Install the bottom latch with the slant of the latch facing the direction the door closes. Then, secure the latch with the screws marked in the instructions. Just like the top latch, make sure the bottom latch is centered in the door hole with the semicircular hole in the middle. If it is not centered, adjust the latch by grasping the pin on both sides of the latch and moving it to the longer setting. Install the deadbolt. Gather the mounting screws marked in the instructions, the interior and exterior piece of the deadbolt, and the mounting plate if it was removed. The mounting plate should come pre-installed. Insert the exterior torque blade into the turnpiece hole. Make sure the torque blade curve is facing up. Make sure the interior turnpiece is in an upright position. Attach the mounting plate to the inside of the exterior deadbolt if it was removed. Insert the interior piece of the deadbolt. Before the final tighten, make sure the deadbolt edges are parallel with the door edge. Secure the deadbolt with the mounting screws. If the screws are difficult to tighten, make sure the latch is installed correctly. The turnpiece should be vertical, the latch bolt extended, and the curve of the exterior torque blade facing up. To install the handle set, hold it on the exterior of the door and make sure the round edge of the spindle faces the door edge. If the spindle is out of place, simply pull and rotate the spindle to the correct position. Insert the spindle into the semicircular hole in the bottom latch and insert the bottom post through the bottom hole in the door. The bottom post is adjustable to fit different door preps. If needed, move the post to one of the 3 hole options to accommodate your door. Install the handle set with the washer, screw, and screw cover marked in the instructions. Install the interior lever base. Secure the lever base with the mounting screws labeled V in the instructions. To ensure that the base is horizontal and centered, push up on the lever base while tightening the screws. Before the final tighten, make sure the lever base edges are parallel with the door edge. Install the lever. Make sure the lever faces away from the door edge. Install the lever with the supplied Allen wrench to tighten the pre-installed set screw. Install the strike plates. Make sure your strike holes are drilled at least 1 inch deep. For the top strike plate, use the screws marked in the instructions. The longer screws should be drilled into the holes closest to the door jamb. For the bottom strike plate, use the screws marked in the instructions. Test the installation. Close the door and make sure the latch catches in the strike plate. If it is loose, use a screwdriver to adjust the strike tab to grip the latch bolt better. SmartKey Security allows you to rekey your lock in 3 easy steps. Before you begin rekeying, you must have your functioning key, your new key, and the SmartKey Learn tool. SmartKey Step 1. Insert the key that currently operates your lock and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. SmartKey Step 2. Insert the included SmartKey tool fully and firmly into the SmartKey hole. Remove the SmartKey tool and the current key. SmartKey Step 3. Fully insert your new key into the lock and rotate it 180 degrees. Rotate the new key 90 degrees back into the straight position and remove it. Your lock is now rekeyed to your new key, and your old key will no longer operate the lock. Your Baldwin Prestige handle set is now installed.